can see the engine light is on, ABS light is on, traction light because of the ABS sensor, so hopefully that would fix the problem. We're just gonna quickly scan the code here. Alright guys, there you go. Just finished the full scan. Look at that, 38 DTC, 38 codes. So you can see there's a shutter problem, low rad, intake, temp sensor, speed sensor right there. Those are the one that we just fixed. So we'll just quickly delete those and then go for a test drive and see if it come back. It was 38 codes, and now let's see how much codes are left. There's 24, 26. There's 24 codes. That's what's left now. It used to be 28, 38. Now let's go for a drive. Go back to our menu here. Alright guys, so we've been driving for a couple seconds. Right front, look, it's working now. We got input, we got kilometers on the right front, but the left front is 0. So we're gonna go back in the garage. We're gonna check the harness, because remember before I swapped the harness from right to left and left to right, so maybe I forgot to plug it in or something. So let's go back in the garage. Right guys, we just changed the sensor on the left front. There's no more code.
Fix it.
Traction control, ABS control, engine light is out, and you can see when I delete the code, I said there's no more code detect. So let's go for live data. We're gonna see the input and output of this sensor. You see the neighbor.
Yeah.
She's gonna park on her regular spot. Alright, let's go. Alright guys, we've been driving for like a couple minutes now. It feels good. The steering wheel is soft.
Yeah, it's soft. Yeah, steering wheel is very soft now.
Alright, so that's a good news. No engine lights, no ABS traction lights. And you can see in our output, left front right here, all 4 sensors are all working, especially on the left front and especially on the right front. So that's a good news. That's a good news. It's finally fixed. We changed the hub and knuckle on the right front, and then on the left we just put a brand new sensor, and that's it. Fixed the problem. So we're just gonna go for a quick drive here again. We're just gonna go around the block and then just make sure that it's good. Engine light's not coming back, ABS lights is not coming back, and then after that we're gonna go back to the garage, and this vehicle is gonna go back to the shop. It's getting a body inspection, the final test, and then they're gonna pass the inspection, and then next after the body inspection is gonna be the mechanical inspection. That will be involving with like suspension, electric sensors and everything. So that's it guys, that's the journey for this Supra. A lot of work, a lot of time on this, and this is another one step of fixing one problem at a time. So that's it. Thanks for watching. See you guys again on the next one.